Guess what happened? YouTube. Know y'all remember this car? Well, some things have changed. Remember the bolt-on little SI that I raced?
Guys, so we got a call out 350Z Nismo versus Honda Civic SI. Headers, intake, tune. Let's get it.
What's going on here? Remember how he said he was gonna come back with a supercharger? Yeah. Guess what happened? That boy came back with a fucking supercharger. About to go on a nice little ride along. Y'all hear that? Nah, his sounds just like this. Yeah, I thought his whine's loud, but like it's kind of similar to this.
Yeah, he got a.
You probably got the one you're talking about, just bigger, I guess, or some shit.
Exactly. That's confusing.
Hey yo, what the?
Oh shit! That boy is still lighting the fucking tires up.
Yeah, it depends on how shift them.
Not gonna lie, if y'all haven't seen the video, it's gonna be on the screen right here where I raced him when he was NA. This shit definitely gonna give me a run for his money now.
Quick intermission in today's video, guys. We got our first sponsor of the channel. Shout out to Auxito. They just released their new portable air inflator. If you guys need air for your car tire, bicycle, motorcycle tire, basketball, beach ball, inflatables, anything that you need, Auxito is the brand. Here's the machine. It's very beautiful, very sleek. Has 5 buttons on the side. Comes with this nice hose. This is for your car. Just screw it onto the machine, air up your tires. Comes with a charger for your car, charger for your wall mount inside, and all the attachments to air up whatever you need to air up.
Here we have the machine for the Auxito with the 5 buttons. What you do is hold the middle button to power it on. Use the bottom button to go through certain presets. As you can tell, car, bike, motorcycle, ball, all air presets. Top has a light, different modes. You have a white light, red light, strobe light. As you can tell, it's a lovely, sleek machine with all the ports at the bottom of the machine to charge or plug it up.
Yo, Nick. Yo, I just caught a flat. I'm down the block. I don't even know why I took this car out, bro. Yo, you still got that Auxito?
Yo, brother.
Bro, you brung it. I thought that's
Yes, sir.
crazy. The Auxito. Let's put this to work.
All right, guys, so we here. My boy caught a flat. Let's use the Auxito. As you can see, we have the setting on car tire at 50 PSI. This is the preset where it's gonna stop. This is the number your tire's at. Let's show you how it works. What you're gonna wanna do is take the hose, screw it on, as so. Then what you're gonna wanna do is just click the button one time. That was quick as hell. 50 PSI, tires back to new, man. As you can see, came, saved the day. Thank you to Auxito. If you guys want to order your Auxito, it does come with 2-year warranty. If it breaks, stops working, send it back, get a new one. Use code NICKSTACKS at the checkout for a discount. Thank you, Auxito, for sponsoring the channel.
This on me right here.
Nah, this bitch moving. And this bitch hooked. Yeah, I ain't doing no dig with you. You got to road race me. This nigga's brand new tires is hooking. Oh shit.
That shit really outside.
She been waiting for these low key. This nigga is fucking whipping the fuck out of this little SR.